All right, I was riding for less than a minute when I saw this in front of me. Non-issue. Okay, we're straddling the line. What are we doing here? Truck. Why are we speeding up to get close to it? You know? It's not my problem if he's gonna be there. We're going 127, probably kilometers. That person's hauling ass too. We're going pretty fast. 140. Hey, let them. What are we doing? One second. I'm sorry. Let's before we get it. Okay, Google. What is 140 kilometers in miles per hour? 86. We're going almost 90 miles per hour. Thank you, Google. Siri, let me know. Going way too fast. 90 miles an hour. Just let them go. We're already going pretty fast. Is that it? That's it? Riding for less than a minute, probably with cold tires, and we're gonna be going 90 miles per hour on cold tires. All right. Okay. Non-issue. Let them do their thing. You do your speed limit. I see what the problem is. You can barely see it because of the YouTube bar right there. He's using a freaking Ram mount. Every class, get yourself a Rockform mount using the link in the description. You get a discount. It's an affiliate code. It helps out. It keeps the lights on in this firehouse. You know, it's been pretty good actually. You know, I don't see any rookies chewing on the cables, making everything all screwy. So I'm glad we made that switch. Yeah. So we're gonna put ourselves in a dangerous situation. Why? Once if we hit a bump at 140 kilometers per hour, you have a steering dampener. It might not even help you then. Ooh, we can get some death wobbles going on here. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment. So make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from REVZILLA using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps me out. No extra cost to you. Plus, it lets REVZILLA know that the DDFM crew is pretty badass and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link. I'll see you soon. All right, so nighttime. Or the cops. Whoa. The cops are behind us. Are we doing anything illegal? I don't know if we are. Watch out for that water. Okay, non-issue. They did their thing, you do your thing.
Crap, he's gonna pull me over.
Why is he gonna pull you over? Because you, Hey, BJ, welcome back! Looks like he might be pacing you. Don't be doing dumb things. I mean, do you have a license plate? Are you street legal? You know, what is it? What is it that you're doing wrong? You have everything situated? Uh-oh. Almost made it back to the dorms. Almost made it back. Looks like a stunt bike. Oh, man. He's already got his stuff situated.
You don't have a tag on you?
Yeah.
Motorcycle.
Yeah, it hasn't come in yet.
Okay.
I had to order one.
License with you now?
Yeah.
I saw that car pull out in front of you, man. I wanted to stop both of you.
Yeah.
But
It's fine, yeah.
did I stop you? Have I stopped you before?
Oh, no.
I can't remember. You may have. I recognize,
Were you on a different bike?
yeah. I'm just waiting for it to come in.
Man, I saw the other car pull out in front of you.
Yeah.
But it's really difficult to try to pull two vehicles over at one time, especially with all this traffic and stuff.
Yeah, I understand.
Did you get a new bike or you just hobby bike?
I actually have 3 bikes right now.
Okay. You got an insurance card for this one?
Yeah, I got it on my phone.
But you don't have to exacerbate problem with it being loud, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Don't rev it, you know, downshift or upshift to keep you from running such high RPMs and being so loud, okay?
Yeah, well, yeah, it's...
Because there is a noise ordinance in the city of Auburn.
Yeah.
So,
See, he's
right,
being nice.
Tag put on plainly visible and illuminated
All right.
as soon as you get it, and I think that's it.
Awesome.
Like I said, if I can, you know, see that car again, and
Yeah.
if I could stop it too, I would have.
Thanks for watching till the
See, cops aren't just out to get you. Now, he knew the whole time, oh man, there's a cop behind me. I don't have my license. You know, or not my license, but my license plate. I got it in my pocket. As soon as he got pulled over, he pulled it out. It's not illuminated. Look, as soon as he got pulled over, he pulls it out. The cop wanted to pull over this dude right here because of what this guy did right here. But he also said, hey, don't be rev bombing. We got a noise ordinance. You know, if I could, I'd pull him over. Cops aren't out to get you. Don't have that mentality. I know there's different everything, you know, different experiences and perspectives. But for the most part, okay, generalizing. Right here, that person pulled out in front of us. We rev bombed. That person shouldn't have pulled out in front of us, but the cop was already behind us, kind of, hey, you know, I can't see the license plate. What's going on? I'm going to pull him over. So the cop witnessed this. And that guy shouldn't have done that. But yeah, overall, you know, he's getting pulled over. He got pulled over, almost made it back to his dorm. And he's going to pull out his stuff. Everything's going to be situated. Everything is good. Non-issues at that point. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.